If you had invested just a few $1,000s in the right trends over the past 20 years, there's a good chance your financial future would look completely different today. The biggest fortunes are rarely built by following what's already popular. They're built by spotting shifts before the majority notices them. Think about it. Before smartphones became essential, before streaming replaced cable television, before online shopping dominated retail, there were investors who recognized these trends early. While most people saw uncertainty, they saw opportunity. Today, technology is evolving faster than ever before, creating new opportunities for wealth creation that didn't exist even a decade ago. So in this video, we're counting down 10 powerful wealth, investing, and technology trends that could shape the future and potentially create massive opportunities for those who understand them early. Let's begin. At number 10, we have cybersecurity. As the world becomes more connected, digital security becomes more valuable. Every year, businesses, governments, and individuals generate enormous amounts of data. That data has become one of the world's most valuable resources, and protecting it is now a necessity rather than a luxury. Cybercrime costs organizations billions of dollars annually. As artificial intelligence becomes more advanced, security systems must evolve even faster. Many experts believe cybersecurity will remain one of the most important industries of the coming decades because every technological advancement creates new security challenges. The more digital our world becomes, the more valuable digital protection becomes. At number 9, we have digital payments. A generation ago, carrying cash was normal. Today, millions of people complete entire weeks without touching physical currency. Mobile wallets, contactless payments, peer-to-peer transfers, and digital banking have transformed how money moves. Businesses increasingly prefer digital transactions because they are faster, easier to track, and often more efficient. As global internet access expands and financial technology improves, digital payments are expected to become even more integrated into everyday life. The future of money may not be paper. It may simply be data. At number 8, we have online education. For centuries, learning was limited by geography. You had to be physically present in classrooms, universities, or training centers. Technology changed that. Today, anyone with an internet connection can access courses taught by experts from around the world. Artificial intelligence is making personalized learning experiences possible, adapting content based on individual progress and performance. As industries continue evolving rapidly, lifelong learning becomes increasingly important. The demand for education isn't disappearing. It's becoming digital. At number 7, we have robotics and automation. Machines are becoming smarter, faster, and more capable every year. Factories already rely heavily on automation, but the trend extends far beyond manufacturing. Warehouses, logistics centers, healthcare facilities, agriculture operations, and even service industries are adopting robotic systems. Automation isn't simply about reducing costs, it's about improving efficiency, precision, and scalability. Businesses that effectively integrate automation often gain significant competitive advantages. And as technology improves, the opportunities in this sector continue growing. At number 6, we have renewable energy. For decades, economic growth depended heavily on traditional energy sources. Today, governments, corporations, and consumers are investing heavily in cleaner alternatives. Solar power, wind energy, battery storage, and smart energy systems are receiving unprecedented attention. As technology reduces costs and improves efficiency, renewable energy becomes increasingly attractive. The transition won't happen overnight. But many analysts believe the shift towards sustainable energy could become one of the defining economic transformations of the century. At number 5, we have biotechnology. The intersection of healthcare and technology is producing innovations that once seemed impossible. Advanced diagnostics, gene therapies, personalized medicine, and AI-assisted drug development are changing healthcare at an extraordinary pace. People are living longer, healthcare demands are increasing, and technological breakthroughs are creating entirely new markets. Biotechnology isn't simply about treating illness. It's increasingly focused on prevention, optimization, and extending quality of life. That makes it one of the most fascinating sectors to watch. At number 4, we have cloud computing. Most people use cloud technology every day without even realizing it. Streaming platforms, online storage services, business software, and mobile applications all rely heavily on cloud infrastructure. Instead of maintaining expensive physical systems, organizations can access computing power on demand. This flexibility has transformed how businesses operate. As artificial intelligence, data analytics, and digital services continue expanding, demand for cloud infrastructure is expected to remain strong. Behind many of today's most successful technology companies is an invisible foundation built in the cloud. At number 3, we have artificial intelligence. Few technologies have captured global attention as quickly as AI. What makes AI different is its ability to improve itself through learning and data. Businesses use AI to analyze information, automate tasks, improve customer service, detect fraud, optimize operations, and generate content. Entire industries are being reshaped. Some experts compare the impact of AI to the arrival of electricity or the internet. Whether those comparisons prove accurate remains to be seen. But one thing is clear: AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already transforming the economy. At number 2, we have the creator economy. For most of history, building an audience required access to major media organizations. Today, individuals can create businesses from their laptops. YouTubers, podcasters, newsletter writers, educators, designers, developers, and content creators are building global audiences. Technology has dramatically reduced barriers to entry. People are monetizing expertise, entertainment, education, and creativity in ways that were unimaginable just a generation ago. The creator economy demonstrates a powerful shift. In the digital age, attention itself has become an asset. And finally, at number 1, we have data. Not gold, not oil, data. Many investors and business leaders consider data one of the most valuable resources in the modern economy. Every search, purchase, click, transaction, and interaction generates information. Organizations that can collect, analyze, and utilize that information effectively gain powerful advantages. Artificial intelligence depends on data. Digital advertising depends on data. Recommendation systems depend on data. Financial technology depends on data. The technologies shaping the future all share one common ingredient: data fuels them. And that's why many of the world's most valuable companies are built around collecting, processing, and leveraging information. Now, here's the interesting part. None of these trends exist in isolation. Artificial intelligence relies on cloud computing. Cloud computing relies on cybersecurity. Digital payments generate data. Data improves AI. Renewable energy supports technological infrastructure. Biotechnology uses advanced computing power. The creator economy depends on digital platforms. Everything is becoming interconnected. That's where the biggest opportunities often emerge. Not from a single trend, but from the intersection of multiple trends happening simultaneously. History shows that wealth is often created when major technological shifts reshape society. The people who recognize those shifts early gain an advantage. That doesn't mean every trend will succeed exactly as expected. Some will grow faster than predicted. Others may face unexpected challenges. But understanding where technology is moving provides valuable insight into where opportunities may appear. The future isn't built in a single day. It's built gradually through innovation, adoption, and changing behavior. And while nobody can predict the future with complete certainty, one thing remains true. The world's biggest opportunities usually appear before they become obvious. The question is not whether change is coming. The question is whether you'll recognize it before everyone else does.